Hey guys, today we're going to be making a Google account. So first you want to look up Google account. Google account. And then create your account and then you're going to put your information. I'm using random name because I already have an account. But we're going to do this. Whatever you like. Put a password. Put a password. Make sure you write it down somewhere. Put a phone number. You don't have to put an email address for recovery, but you can. It's optional. Put a random birthday. Make sure you're over to 13. Your gender. Then you're going to send. They're going to send you a verification code. Make sure you write that down. And then you're just going to continue, read the privacy and terms, agree to them, and this is your account.